Bisaya po from Cebu. It's our first time in USA. Have a convention in Boston, New York. So please watch my little cutie vlog. I'm a realtor actually from Cebu. So I sell houses, condominiums, lots and everything. So now we are here outside the airport of JF Kennedy International Airport. It's our first time here in the USA. So I'm just taking some videos while we are heading to Times Square. You can watch my other vlog. I'll upload there for our Times Square experience for the first time. I'm really amazed with the infrastructure here in New York. That's why I took a lot of videos while we are traveling, going to Times Square, New York for the first time. Look at their infrastructure. Delicious, same sa Cebu or sa Philippines na dago kay buildings. There kay small buildings done. So we are invited for a lunch sa Kailan na mo there. Gosh, I'm so excited. So I'm just taking videos, guys, of the houses, the buildings, and their buildings is not all like in the Philippines. They just have one story, usually one story building like that. So we are now in USA. This is my first time. So you'll watch in my next vlog. We are near Times Square already. I'll upload another cutie vlog. Thanks for watching.
Pero mga distansya siya. Pwede mo
your realtor.
Murag appeal to na mo sa among kon.
Yan na.
mag-LA.